Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering tools and then remove electrical power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes to avoid shorts. Once done, release the top trim and remove the visible mounting bolts holding the headlight. Make sure to keep screws organized, label them if needed. As you loosen the last fastener, support the assembly with one hand so it can't fall. This first access stage gets you to the point where the headlight can be backed out far enough to reach connectors. You now focus on detaching electrical and mechanical attachments. Unplug the main harness and any auxiliary connectors, then remove each bulb by twisting and pulling straight out so you don't damage sockets. Once the wiring is free, work the assembly rearward, unlocking lower bolts and plastic clips. Use trim tools to avoid breaking tabs. Take note of any leveling motor or washer hose clips. Unclip them gently. If the lamp sticks, double-check for hidden screws in the wheel arch or under the bumper. You lift the headlight assembly out of the car and place it on a soft towel to avoid scratches, then replace the lens or bulbs as required. Once ready, reverse the removal. Seat the unit, engage clips, tighten lower and upper bolts snugly, and reconnect all harnesses. Make sure to reconnect the battery last. Finally, test low/high/ indicator functions and check beam aim. If a lamp doesn't light, recheck the connector, ground, and fuse. Clean corrosion and receipt plugs before further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.